To start, let's lift up the engine cover, set it aside. If you have a lot of debris here by the ignition coils like I do, go ahead and vacuum it or blow it off with compressed air. Do whatever you have to do, but you don't want it sitting here when you pull the ignition coils off, otherwise it can get down into the spark plug tube holes, and that is not good. So I'm only going to show you in detail how to do one because they're all the same. Unplug the connector, set this aside, then with the T30 Torx bit, take this bolt out, pull the ignition coil up. On the new one, I like to put some silicone paste or dielectric grease on the bottom of it. This is going to do two different things. One, it'll prevent moisture from building up inside here and on the spark plug. And two, it'll prevent this rubber from sticking onto the spark plug later in the future when it has to be replaced. Drop this back down, make sure it's facing the right way. Take your bolt, slide it in, and let's snug it up. Go ahead and connect the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks. There we go, now it clicked. And now you would do the same to all the rest. All right, that's done. Let's get the engine cover back on. Line it up with the oil fill cap as well as the dipstick and press it on. Now get in the car, turn the engine on, make sure you have no check engine lights, that it runs nice and smooth. And if it doesn't, it runs worse than before, then double check your work, make sure everything's plugged in right.